I can't explain in my words because I am so excited today. So let's start with me. I'm your friend Yuvraj Nana, and today I'm going to tell you something about this thing that how we can speak to begin. Because I can say that every person want to speak without grammar, and it's not a possible because it's a daunting task. It's not a trivial matter. But if you will be try, then you can do something because everything is possible in this whole world. Because if you will be practice more and more, then you can speak. I can say that if you don't know that how we can speak without grammar and without grammar skill, then I can say that first of all you have a need of word meanings, because if you don't have word meaning or vocabulary, then how you can speak. So I can say that first of all you should be read word meaning here to there, related to home chores, related to daily routine. Because if you will be read word meaning, that kind of word meaning, if you will be read, and whenever you try to speak that time, you will be feel, yeah, I was right. Because you can use that word meaning that time, you can use that word meaning that time, because it will be beneficial for you. And I can say that if you don't know that how you can try to speak, if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any friend with him you could talk, practice, you could practice. So I can say that you should be try yourself, you should be practice by yourself. Because if you don't have, then I'm also suffering this problem, every person suffering this problem, because they don't have any friend. So I can say that you should be practice by yourself, and you can start by your room, you can start to your home, you can start to your home, speak on things whenever you will be try. And I can say that is think in English. I can say that if you want to speak in English, if you want to learn in English, and if you don't have any friend, then I can say that is think in English. Because whenever you will be try this, then you easily can increase your level. And try to think and stroll your think in your mind, and choose a sentence and try to convert that sentence in, like I can say that if you will be choose any sentence in your mind, in your native language, in your mother tongue, and you should be try to convert that sentence in English, that you will be feel good, you will be feel like I can do, and try to say the sentence. Because if you will be try again and again, then you can easily, then you can do easily. So I can say that it will be beneficial for you, it will be beneficial for you. And I can say that speak on things, and you can say something should be start to there, like if you are also living in a village, you can try to this thing, please give me eh, please give me some water, I am so hungry. And you can talk by yourself, hi, what's going on. Because we have a lot of like sentence related to one thing, that you can ask to you, then how are you, what's going on, what's up bro, and how about you, what about you, you can say, you can try to like this. Because if you will be asked to question to by yourself, then you can easily understand. And the second point is how we can remove our hesitation. Because we can say that it's a big hurdle whenever you try to go on your way up, then you face this problem, and it's a big hurdle. Then how you can, because every person want to get rid of this thing, so it's a big problem. So I can say that if you want to remove your hesitation, and if you don't have any friend, and if you want to remove your hesitation, if you want to get rid of this thing, then you can do by yourself. Then by how you can do it, though I can say that you can do this by the practice. And you should be in need of practice front of mirror. Listen carefully what I want to say, that front of mirror. If you will be practice from front of mirror, then you can easily understand which kind of mistake are you doing now, how you can remove your hesitation. If you will be try, if you will be speak front of mirror, then you will be feel good, then you will be feel crazy. And I can say that for beginners who are want to speak in English, be crazy. Because if you will be crazy, if you will be chatterbox in English, not Hindi, because it will be like it will not beneficial for you. It will be big a chatterbox in Hindi. Every person want to beat you. So would you like beat you? So be chatterbox in English if you want to. Try to something, because you can speak in your mind, you can speak on your in your think. so speak something, it doesn't matter. And I'm talking about how you can remove your hesitation. Yeah, and if you will be practice front of mirror, then you can easily remove your hesitation. And now I can say that first of all you have a need of lot of courage and courage. And you should be a gather lot of courage by your think. You should be craze lot of, you should be gather lot of craze. And after that you will be feel, yeah, I can do something because everything is possible. And you can go step by step. If you will be think I'll be go there by the jump, so it's not possible. You can remove all thing. You can't forget all things related to English speaking, related to everything. So step by step you can do everything. If you'll be think I can improve, i I want to speak in a 2 days, I want to speak in a 15 days, it's not possible. If you want to learn without grammar, then that time you have a lot of need of a long time, because that time you can speak in a proper way. That, guys, our topic was how we can remove our how we can remove our hesitation. That I can say that we can remove our hesitation by practice, by crash. Because if you will be practice by yourself, if you will be try to speak more and more, then you can easily remove your hesitation. Because every person suffering this problem, I am also suffering. But we can do, not, it's not a trivial matter, we can say that. But yeah, it's a daunting task, we can say that. I'm also suffering this problem, how I can say that. But if you'll be try more and more, then you can do something. And now I'm saying about beginners who are want to speak in English. So try your best and try to speak in English. It doesn't matter what you want to say. because every because anybody can't say you, nobody can't say you whenever you'll be try. When anybody can't see you whenever you'll be try to speak. So if you feel solitude, then it will be beneficial for you. You can easily practice by yourself. So try to speak something, because bit become habit. And if you do mistakes, so neglect our mistakes. Because if you will be practice, if you will be focus your mistake, if you will be focus more and more your mistake, then you can't improve. Because we can say that if you heard about this compliment, because if we never made a mistake, then we didn't try to do something new. Listen carefully. if we made if we never made a mistake, then we didn't try to do something new. So I can say that do mistake, because by the mistake you can learn. So maybe it will be enough. So goodbye guys, and I'll come soon my next video. I'll tell you everything step by step, because I'm also new here, I'm also learning, I'm also beginner. You can learn like me, because I'm also learning. You should be read lot of word meaning vocabulary, because I can say that if we have a lot of word meaning vocabulary, then we can speak for a long time. So bro, you can, maybe it will be enough for today. So take care guys, bye bye.